Alright, what we have here is probably my ugliest creation, but not to worry, it's more of a proof of concept. I've got plans to make a nicer one. I just wanted to make sure the concept works. And where I got the idea was I saw a video of a person who made something similar to this. And what it's meant to do is catch pet dander, allergens, whatever else is in the air. And the way the guy made it, the video I saw, he had one fan on top pushing air into 4 filters, but I did mine a little different. I put a fan on each side opposing one another and drawing air out, so it'll draw air through the filters, just like it works on my furnace. And if you look at the furnace filters, it's got a little picture of a dog and some bugs and some allergen. So I'm hoping it'll work. So on the inside, what I've done is, it's just 2 old fans I had. And I don't know, can you see the inside of it? So what I did is I took the guards off of these fans because they'll push more air without the guards, and nobody's going to really be sticking their fingers in there. I left the bottom open so you can work the controls. The controls being on the back of the fan is the reason I don't use the controls. Get out of here. Yeah, and there's one of the dogs. So we got these 2 dogs and they're just making tons of fur. So it's working kind of nice. I can show you for comparison how this thing is kind of drawing a decent amount of air. And then this here, this is what I got at Costco to do the same thing. And we have 3 of these, but they just don't move as much air, or at least they don't seem to. It's not a real scientific test. But when I put this here, it kind of grabs it a little bit. I guess it's moving air okay, but when I get on this, it really, like, you can really feel it's pulling quite a bit harder. So that's it. It's a cheap way to move a lot of air and hopefully filter it. I plan on making a follow-up video when these filters, hopefully they get dirty, meaning that they captured a bunch of stuff, and then we'll talk about, how long it took to get them all gunked up and how good is it really doing. And then later on I'm going to build one of these that actually kind of looks nice, hopefully. So look for those videos in the future. Again, feel free to comment, like the video if you like it, subscribe to the channel to see more content. All that stuff will help the channel. And of course, feel free to ask any questions. Thanks for watching.